your opinion, what do you think?
It's kind of nice. Look at this. Look at this. Get a zoom. Yeah. This is nice. I like this. I don't know why you spend the money. How much is this compared to a spinner?
I don't know how much this is actually. How much does these go for, Anthony? You know about this stuff.
He's an expert.
Or like, I don't know, like 160.
You think this is 160?
Bro, I'd rather spend that and then put the rest into like building it and then just buying a sprinter van.
My van's better.
Anthony also has a van he could live in. Not like this though.
The van that he
For
has
sure.
lived in.
Not like this. You can't. Well, you can't stand in Anthony's van.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, you can. If you pop up the top.
Yeah.
If you pop up the top.
You pop up the top, you got about 3 extra feet to walk around in.
Like, why would people pick Sprinter van over this, you think?
I think Sprinter van's a flex, you know? It's a
Oh, it's
Benz.
a flex.
But then these, at least you could fix them anywhere. If you have a Benz, you have to go to a Benz dealer. This, like, almost any mechanic can work on it.
Okay, cool.
Almost.
Sweet. This is the guy that's going to be working on it right here.
Yeah.
This guy.
Yeah.
It's not that big.
You want to help me wrap it?
I'll watch. I'll be recording you, actually.
You'll see just how big it gets.
I'll be recording you.
You'll see just how big it gets.
And now we have the finished product for this cargo van. We did that full dyno prism. As you can see, we've got that nice little sparkle going on. It really makes it pop in comparison to the other ones that we've seen. And we also did that full powder coating. So now we have these awesome satin black wheels. We did the full coating on top of everything. Also Windcrest Evo. So we did that windshield protection film, but we actually did it on all of the windows. So this has ultimate protection. When our customer is riding around in this, he feels totally safe. So glad that we could do that for him. And then we also did some window tint on all of the glass. So he's safe not only from rock chips or anything like that, but also from that heat and those UV rays. We actually removed and debadged everything, gave it a fully custom look, and it's looking pretty clean. So the dyno prism that we put on here actually has some metallic flakes built into the film. So it basically means that we're gonna have a little bit of like iridescent properties, and it's gonna give you that really cool kind of a color shifting effect, but it's really subtle, especially on a color like silver. So it's really cool because from far away, maybe you wouldn't notice, but then up close, you see that it has a lot of personality, a lot of pop, a lot of shine. So if you want to have a custom ride like this, then come on over to OCDetailing and we'll be happy to help you out.